Hi, today you will learn how to zoom in and zoom out image using custom SeekBar. This is how our output will look like. When we touch our SeekBar from left to right, our images zoom in, and when we touch from right to left, our images zoom out. So let's start. Open your Android Studio. Click on Start a new Android Studio project. Select Empty Activity. Click on Next. Name of your application. Click on Finish. Now open your XML file. Here we add one image view and a seek bar. So for this, I'm going to use here relative layout. Copy one image and paste in drawable. Now add one seek bar. Now we want to create custom seek bar, so we have to add one drawable file. Here we create seek style. In this XML file, we will create two items. First one we create for our initial progress, which will have blackish color, and second one when we touch our seek bar from left to right, it will change its color from black to blue. So we designed this class to provide the shape of our custom seek bar. Now we add one more travel file C. In this XML file, we will provide a style for our seek button that we touch from left to right and right to left. Now click on activity main.xml. Here we add travel seek for progress travel. Here we seek style. Now click on main activity. Now find view by ID to get the image view. Similarly for SeekBar. Now get the value progress value of SeekBar. We use method seek set on SeekBar change listener. On progress change method is called when the progress value has changed. On start tracking touch method is automatically called when user touch the SeekBar, and an on stop tracking touch method is called when user stop touching the SeekBar. So when user touch the SeekBar, it changes the value of the progress. So here we provide a scale to zoom in and zoom out our image. Here we use float scale. Here we use I, which is show our progress. When I run the project, it show an error in start color. Here I forgot to add 0. Now run the project. Here you can see the custom SeekBar. So when I touch the SeekBar, the images zoom out as I increase the progress, and when I decrease the progress, the image is zooming. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.